What's up, everybody? Boy Big Brandoh, and it's time for another boxing session video. This one comes to you from the homies over at IVXV Apparel. Look at this custom packaging, bro. Let me try to turn this down a little bit. Custom packaging looks crazy. Still pretty bright, but my bad. Let me get in here and open this thing up. Oh, look at this thing packaged up, man. Shout out to IVXV Apparel. This packaging is dope. It's printed on the box. It's got to be screen printed or something. Custom clamshell box printed. That's a boss move right there. Put this to the side. Let's get into the actual apparel. They got it packaged up with this tissue paper here, which is a good hit. Boom. Uh-oh. Here we go. Got a little package in here with some custom wristbands. Let me open this thing up here. We got two wristbands. First one says IVXapparel.com. Check them out. With the IVXV on the back. Same exact thing, IVXapparel.com. Hopefully this is in focus. Dope wristbands. Let's check out this little envelope here. Packaging is dope as hell already. So far this is crazy. Oh yeah. So we'll start off with this here. It looks like their business card. Shout out to the homie Joe Bell. Let me try to adjust this here. Hold on one second. Bear with me. Turn that down a little bit so you can check it out. Palo Alto, California. Shout out to Northern California. IVXV Apparel. These are dope. One thing I like about this business card is it's glossy on one side and the corners are rounded. Most of the time it's square like this, right? But it's actually rounded. Really clean hit. Looks like we got a magnet right here. IVXV. This is a dope hit. And these look like stickers. Put these up on the door. IVXV Apparel. Magnets. Business card. Very clean hit. And it got a personalized message on the back of this. Let me read this off camera real quick. It says, Big Brandoh, first off, I want to say thank you for providing the unboxing service for free and for all the info you share in your YouTube videos. Much appreciated. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. 100 JB. JB, I appreciate you, bro. Here's his contact information. It's IVXV Apparel on Facebook and on Instagram. IVXVapparel.com. Shout out to y'all, man. So let's check out the actual goods. These look like screen printed t-shirts. Got that custom neck label packaged up. They got the warning label on the back of the packaging. Trying to do this around my camera. So here's the first t-shirt. Boom. Common sense ain't so common. I fuck with this design right here. This is crazy. Check it out. Common sense ain't so common. Lettering, everything looks clean. This ribbon's clean. This is actually a screen printed t-shirt. Not plastisol transfer, but plastisol screen printed. Very clean. Not sure what kind of t-shirt this is, but it feels good. Very soft. Here goes the neck label. It's an extra large, 100% cotton, machine wash, tumble dry. Do not bleach. Medium iron. Do not iron on design. Made in the USA. IVXV Apparel. This might be screen printed also. Feels good. Hopefully this is in focus, man. Check it out. I like this. I fuck with this right here. Common sense ain't so common. Very clean. Anything on the back? Nope. But this shirt right here, I fuck with, man. This is dope. Let's get into the next one. There's a better look at the warning labels on the back of their poly bags. Packaged up nicely. Get that out the way. Custom neck label once again. And this looks like their basic logo tee. Screen printed also. IVXV Apparel. Very clean, very dope. Close up of the print. Looks good, feels good. Not sure what kind of blank t-shirt they're using, but it feels good too. Nothing on the back. Like I said, custom neck label. All the information in their neck label is on there. Boom. This is dope, man. I just noticed this too. They sent a blue and a black wristband for the blue and the black t-shirt. Appreciate you guys, man. This is dope. I fuck with this. I fuck with the packaging. Everything from the custom boxes to the stickers to the magnet, wristbands. Everything looks clean to me. I wish you guys nothing but success. And I hope you guys are getting that money, man, because you guys deserve it. This right here is clean. Everything on here. Lettering, placement, design, size of design. Everything looks good, man. I like this a lot. Appreciate you guys for sending it in. If you guys wanted to send some stuff in for a boxing session video, make sure you check in the description. It'll have the address to where you could send stuff. Alright? Catch you guys on the next one, man. Shout out once again, IVXV Apparel. Clean work.